You can't really do the swoopy swoop. You could just do the doopity doop like I just did. What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I maintain my pixie. I'm going to be relaxing my hair. Yes, I know about what they're talking about in the news about relaxers and uterine cancer. God forbid, you know, I've been doing well so far. I've been relaxing my hair for a very long time. I did stop for a while and I became a relaxing person again. I am not ignorant to the claims, but for right now, I'm going to continue relaxing my hair until I feel like I don't need to do it anymore. But let's just get into this video. Yeah, so just relaxing color. I'll try to make this video as short as possible just so you can see how I'm maintaining it. I love my haircut. I love having my hair short. I think I'm going to keep it this way going forward because I can't be bothered with hair. I don't have to curl it if I don't want to. It's easy to maintain. Let me not say easy. Let me just say it's doable because it's not easy. It takes a little while to do this whole process. If you're not relaxing and you're just washing and molding and stuff like that, it'll probably be a lot easier for you to maintain. Of course, we're not relaxing our hair but 4 to 6 weeks, so or 6 to 8 weeks or whatever the time is. So the relaxer is all done. Right now I'm putting some Jamaican black castor oil in my hair to seal and moisturize. I like to put oil in my hair before I mold it. And then I'm just gonna grab the usual suspects. I use 2 combs to mold my hair. One to comb my hair down into the mold, but then I use the smaller comb that has smaller teeth to actually do the molding because I don't want those big gaps in my hair. So I use the finer tooth comb for the molding, as you will see. If you have a pixie or you do hair, you know that this can get pretty tedious. So I did not record myself doing the whole molding because it takes a while, and just to get your molding right, that's the basis of your style. So you definitely want to make sure that that is correct before you move on. If there was one con I would say about having a pixie is not having a sit under dryer. I am in the process of getting one, but for right now I have to use a handheld dryer, and that is the worst. It's a struggle. It's been a few hours. I had to go to the store, I had to cook dinner and clean up the kitchen. So here we are. I did my makeup off camera, just a small little simple face. This is my everyday look pretty much, minus the lips. All right, so now what I did was I just took off the whatever that thing is that was under my chin and I just left the other ones on. So I'm gonna take off these bands. Why am I calling them bands? They're not bands, strips, wrap strips. Now, remember we did the color and we did a new relaxer. Oh my God. Ooh, baby. Oh my God, it feels so good. You know what I think it is? It's not really the relaxer, it's the conditioner. I use Whole Blends products, and the conditioner, oh my god, it makes my hair so soft. But do you see that, honey? And look, my curl that I did, that even stayed. Yeah, so I don't really do too much waving around, like the waves, because I really don't know how to do it. So this is really just a simple Pixie mold with minimum waves. So if you can't really do the swoopy swoop, you could just do the doopity doop like I just did, and you will be good. But yes, oh, it feels so nice. And you can see the black rinse is rinsing. The rinse is very nice and I love it. I don't even want to curl my hair. I usually don't curl my hair, but I did take out the curling iron just to see if I could do like a couple of curls in, just for the sake of it. I am going to record another video shortly when I'm done with this. So let's just go ahead and, all right, put in a couple of curls. And I'm not the best like curler in the world. I hate curling my hair. So I wanted it to be as short as possible. And with this hairstyle, it's a quick pick up and drop. And that's pretty much all I like to do. If I put any curls in, it's gonna be the simplest thing. And where's my comb? My nails, because I can't find my rake comb. Yeah, I don't even want to mess with this part. I'd rather leave that as is. What do you think? Okay, let's get a couple of, and I went back and got it, like when I first got my hair cut, I went back and got it cut shorter, but I think it has since grown back. So now it's getting longer. Yeah, so you can just like take your, I'm gonna say this is a 1-inch flat iron. Are we recording? Okay, because sometimes my camera be acting up. I think this is 1 inch, I don't know. I got it from Amazon. And just do a couple of those over. And see, when you do it, you wanna keep the wave in the front. You don't wanna mess with this too much, because that is like the foundation of your style. And I feel like this needs to be curled more. So I'm gonna do a video on my, I'm gonna do a video on my notebook setup for nursing school. So I'm going into semester 2 starting on Tuesday. And I'm taking this semester with a whole new set of eyes, because I pretty much winged it all first semester. I passed my classes and I did well, but I still just wing it, whatever. Yeah, I don't want to really mess with this because I don't want to. I just like this side. Let's see. Okay. Pick up and drop. Pick up and drop. Gloss spray, just a little bit of oil so that it doesn't look dry. And I don't know what my rake comb is, so we're gonna use our nails. Sorry, I'm looking behind you to see myself in the mirror behind. All right, no, we don't want to do that. Get back over there. Okay, let me see. I'm just gonna take a little piece. Yeah, I just like it to be. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna take my nails and, because I don't know where my comb is. And I really don't have time to look for it right now. So we're just gonna rake it to the side. And I got the part there. I normally don't part my hair, but I thought it was cute today, so I'm gonna leave it. And that's gonna be that. All right, so You can see that nice and flat. Like I said, I don't really want to put curls back here, although it's long enough to where I can do that, but I don't want to. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. I like to do sit-down videos. I'm starting to get into vlogging, pretty much just documenting my days as a nursing student, as an adult nursing student. So if you are into that kind of content, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the family. Other than that, if you like my hair, you like my makeup, let me know in the comments. And we'll be back next time. Talk to you later.